Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your TV is making a crackling sound and how to fix it. Let's get started. If your TV is making a crackling sound, there could be issues with the digital audio signal, an expansion or contraction of the components, or issues with internal hardware. Now, let's look at each of these causes and how they can be fixed. Loss of digital audio signal. An issue with your HDMI connection can cause your TV to receive a weak or no audio signal. This can result in audio crackle as your TV tries to process a weak signal. If the issue persists, inspect your HDMI cable and ensure all connections are made correctly. If you find any damaged or broken cables, replace them. Expansion and contraction of TV components. Hearing a crackling sound after switching off the TV shouldn't worry you. Most TVs are made from a combination of metal and plastic. When switched off, the internal components begin cooling. As a result, the crackling sound is produced from the contraction or expansion of these parts. Faulty internal hardware. Sometimes, a crackling sound can be produced when there's a fault with the internal hardware. If you suspect this might be the case, hard reset your TV. To do this, disconnect it from the power supply by unplugging it from the socket. Next, press and hold the TV's power button for at least 10 seconds. Reconnect to the power supply and switch it on. If you still hear this sound, contact a professional for further assistance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.